Hello Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm going to show you what I did with the scrap clay that was left over from the Valentine colors I mixed a few weeks ago. As per usual, let's clean our work area first. I use a glass mat, so I just spritz it with some alcohol and wipe it down. I'm using this cream-colored clay, which I rolled out into the number 4 setting to be the base of my slab. Then I rolled out my remaining clay colors into the number 7 setting. Once all the clay has been rolled out, I tear each one and place this on my main slab. I just randomly alternate the colors until the slab is completely covered. Then I gently roll onto the slab to flatten it out. Next, I get some translucent clay and roll it out into the number 7 setting. I place the flattened translucent clay on top of the slab. I neaten the edges with a tissue blade, and then I go back again with my clay roller to manually push the air out from between the clay. This further gets flattened by passing it through the pasta roller into the number 4 setting. Now I get my silk screen and place it on the slab. I carefully roll it down with my manual roller. Then I get a soft brush and some of my mica powder. I brush this onto my silk screen until the slab is completely covered. Now I use my cutters to cut my preferred shapes. This is how it looks like once it is baked. As I used mica, I wanted to seal my piece with some scalpy glaze. And this is the resulting earrings. I hope that you liked my mini tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, or share this video. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!